Now, I've been having a clear out upstairs and I came across this hat. I have no idea when I bought it, what for, where from. I just know I've never ever worn it, but I actually quite like it now. Anyway, tonight it's desserts week on Bake Off, and the technical is a wobbly dessert. And here's a lovely, lovely, delicious wobbly dessert for you to try. Let me show you. I'm making 8 individual desserts here, starting off with a biscuit base. Whilst that's chilling, I'll whisk together the eggs and sugar to cook them off, and then I've got coconut milk, double cream, rum, and then the gelatin goes in last. I pass the whole lot through a sieve, fill those moulds. I've got some chocolate shards sprinkled in coconut, top off with the jelly, and decorate simply. This recipe also does a full-size tart, but whichever you decide to make, it'll take you to the Caribbean sipping a Pina Colada cocktail.